other one you got it, right? You got a hold of it.
Alright. Team 1, week 3, meeting 2. Start now.
No, I'm saying the meeting one was like
Yeah.
you didn't lose the recording,
It's
right?
saved.
That's it. Okay, good job. This one is the Samsung Galaxy
You're
S23.
not sharing your screen, right?
I am or no?
I
You
think
need to
it's
share the display.
freeze, that's why.
Do you guys see my screen now?
No.
Okay, let me stop share and then restart. Share screen. Can you see now?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, we just see your file explorer.
Yeah. I'm going to this one. Okay. Samsung Galaxy S23.
But we want to see your file explorer. You need to share your whole screen. Your display one, whatever it's called.
Wait, where do I click?
Share the web page or your display.
Share screen. Okay, you see this now?
No.
We see, I think this is the picture or something is showing like picture, right?
Yeah, showing
It's shrinked, right?
the entire screen or application window. Pick one.
It's weird because it was working just fine earlier, right? I think it's just my computer, honestly. Today it's just really bugging. Do you guys see anything or nothing at all?
Just your tab for Google Doc. It's really zoomed in.
Okay. Let me just save this one and then retry. Is it in slide control? Assign slide control privileges.
For
what? Can you guys see now?
No.
This is so strange.
That's fine. I can share my screen. Could go on to week 3.
Yeah, let me just finish this so then I'll just give you the chance to take over.
Harsha woke up.
Yeah.
So I go to set featured image, correct. So I'll just say as I'm doing the recording so you guys know. I go to set featured image. Nabil, just hear me out and then click on the image that I want. So in this case it's gonna be the Samsung.
But the thing is, I can't see it. You can see it, Victor?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, let me stop share.
He has the window before in the recording. Go back and see.
So Victor, I stopped sharing. Where do I go again?
For what?
To share.
Click
to share my screen.
Click on sharing. Click on screen 1 or 2, or how many screens do you have?
Share screen, right?
Share like whole screen. That's entire screen. You can see it.
How many screens do you have?
I have many open.
No, screens. Like monitors. Only one?
A tab. How many tabs do you
should have?
Well, I have a few tabs.
Oh.
No, that's the application windows. Go to the entire screen. And just click on the screen there. But it depends on which display you're on.
Portion of screen?
Here's Harsha.
Okay, do you see now?
Yeah, now we can
still
see
zoomed
it.
in.
But can you zoom out? It looks like zoom in.
Oh, okay, wait, let me see.
Yeah, now it's good.
It's still zoomed in.
Good?
More.
More.
Okay, now that's the highest it's gonna go.
Yeah. You're good.
Okay.
Okay. So I clicked on this. I'm giving a text. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Galaxy S23 Ultra. Okay, and then that featured image, add an excerpt. That's gonna be this is the review of Galaxy S23 Ultra, which includes the overview, key features, pros and cons, verdict, and reliability. Advice. Okay, and then click
Category.
on category, add category,
Yeah, you have on the phone.
phone. Okay. Publish, right?
Yep.
Are you ready to publish? Yes.
And then you go to homepage and it should be there.
Homepage. Go back here. How do I get back to the homepage? Visit the site.
And the carousel will look through the.
Oh, click here.
Yeah, I'll fix it so it links to it.
Okay. Yeah.
And you go
so
to reviews. Should be there.
reviews. Knowurtech.
No,
Wait.
like a hamburger icon. Click on that. 3 bars on the right. That opens the side menu.
Right here?
Yep.
Yeah.
Reviews.
And then all the posts go there.
Okay, so we have these two.
Yep.
Got it. Okay, so that's how you guys do with each part of your products. Of course, we cannot do every one of them right now because that's just impossible. We have to get to week 3, which is marketing. So I'm gonna stop sharing and then we can start talking about the rest.
Oh, let's fill in Harsha. Are you there?
Harsha, are you there?
Yeah, he's here. Okay, Harsha, what we did was for the first recording, we just did a recording of one of the posts that we did for the headset category. Not headset, iPhone categories. We did 2 posts already on our review vlog, on our review page. And now we're gonna go to week 3. And if you need help with the post on how to post like your actual products and make like the featured parts, you have to basically watch the recording that we did to see how we did the other 2. But it's very simple. You just have to go and click on post and then create a new post, add post, and then add all of your parts and picture. Yeah, it's quite simple. Okay, so in week 3, we have to. You have so many tabs open, Victor.
So we have the 3 modules to do. And make the social media.
Yeah, 1 second. This is the end of week 3. Can you go on the top? Yeah. So we have to What is this? Apply VRIOG
That's
metric.
internal scan. This one right here. Yeah, do a reading and then research a competitor
Mm-hmm.
and do the reroll. Just say pastel.
SWOT, strengths, weaknesses,
Opportunities and
opportunities, and
threats.
one more. T is for what?
Threats.
Okay. So we each have to do one, or it's like just
No,
one that we have to do?
It's like the pastel analysis.
Oh, it's similar to the pistol analysis. Okay. And it's just one page, right? It's not like we each have to do this.
Yeah. I was gonna assign this one to Harsha. He does this one.
Okay. But when it says company, like it's asking about the competition, right? Like
Yeah, you
our
just
company.
pick a similar company. Compare.
So similar vlog page.
Yeah. Similar ones could be say like The Verge. This Polygon.
Oh. Which one is better? Which one do you think we can actually tackle if we were to do a
They're pretty much the
competition?
same thing.
Not really. Honestly, I feel like
They do the same thing.
they do the same thing. Can I see the Verge? This would be making more sense because this is more related towards tech, like tech
Oh.
overall.
Okay.
This is more like gaming and stuff, movies. So I think The Verge would be the best for. Harsha, is your mic working?
Please type it in the chat.
So Victor is saying that you could take in charge of that because our meetings are only 30 minutes. For the strategic marketing development, we're assigning that to you. So let's just actually make a note of that on the group chat.
Yeah.
So term scan module 2. Harsha. Do the entire thing.
Yeah. He has to.
Sure.
Does he have to apply the VRIOG metrics as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so just
Yeah.
the first part, strategic marketing development, that will be Harsha.
Yeah, there's the metrics here. I haven't researched it, so I'm not sure what's it about. Yeah, he did that. And then there's the textbooks in the folder you get to read, chapters 4 and 5.
So basically, Harsha, you just have to do research and then compare it to the GE metrics and basically write about that.
Yeah, just follow the doc.
Yeah, you could watch the module 2 internal scan docs, the one where his
Oh, sorry guys, I my internet was cut down, so I don't hear anything. Can you repeat it?
Okay.
Just
It's for Harsha.
Yeah, signing.
We're assigning.
Go ahead.
Yeah, sorry. We're assigning roles right now because it's only 30-minute video. I mean recording, so we have to give out the roles so we know what we're doing for the week.
Okay.
Along with completing week 2, because we didn't finish week 2, we have to do the post for our products. So you guys have to actually
week 2 was just making the prototype, not actually making the content. So the prototype's done. I did all the pages.
Oh wait, so week 2 is not really actually putting up all the posts? Not yet?
No, it's just making the prototype, the structure.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just thinking that, but
adding content will be like a finished site.
But I feel like we should still get it done, like at least start it.
Sample posts and whatever.
Yeah, the post, like right now we did for first meeting recording. We kind of, you guys saw it. It's pretty much easy. Like add a post, and then you guys already have your information. You guys have your products, and you guys have the information like collected, the pros and the cons. You guys did the research already. So rather being late, we could just start doing that. If you guys have time after you finish week 3, there's no rush.
You also have to remember for each product we need affiliate link for. I made a
And
Amazon
did
affiliate
you
account.
do the web scraping part?
What happened?
The web scraping part of week 2?
Yeah, that's the internal scan, I believe.
Yeah, why don't you guys ask about that in the group chat? Just ask, like right now, actually. One of you, Harsha, you could do it too. Just ask Anais and Anonna, like what exactly you're like what exactly we have to do for web scrapping.
Okay.
Just
Cool.
ask that question so they'll know. But direct it
Yep.
towards Anonna and Anais so that they know that the question is being asked for them. But other than that, Harsha, you're doing the strategic marketing development. So, Victor, if you don't mind, can you pull up the notepad? The one that you had opened. You could just name it assigned roles. Like you could just put on the top. Assigned roles for week 3. And then you're going to copy this and just post it into the
I'll update the
WhatsApp
task
group.
tracker.
Yeah. In fact, actually, I will
Okay.
update the tracker today. After these vlogs, after we finish with the recording, I'll update the tracker.
I think it's already updated. I checked it yesterday. I don't know who did it.
No, it's not refined. I did update week 2.
Okay.
Okay. I'll add in week 3 after this meeting.
Okay.
Okay, assign roles for week 3. Just finish the sentence. Okay. So Harsha is doing model to internal scan and strategic marketing development.
Yeah,
The
that's
whole
internal
thing.
scan.
It's under this, so I guess so that he knows he has to. Harsha, you have to apply VRIO. You have to do the.
That's in the doc.
Yeah.
Doc has all the
Okay, and then
instructions.
Actually, I don't know what is the VRIO. I need to check that for me.
Yeah, you need to read the textbook.
Okay.
It's covered in the doc.
so if you watch the internal scan doc, there is a doc in week 3 document, and then you have to click on it, and then there's a link to the article.
Yeah, did everyone get this?
Can you share me by
Week
email?
3.
Yes, I got it.
I'm gonna put it in the.
Week 3.
Put it in.
I believe I received it. Monica sent it, right? She sent it to all of us. Can you?
No, Niece sent it.
Oh, I don't think then we got it. But yeah.
You should. I put it all in the drive.
Okay. Thank you so much. So yeah, this right here, module to internal scan docs, that's for you, Harsha. You have to complete that.
Yep.
So that's the document. Just look through it. You have to read an article or something, and then you have to compare it to one of the website, like our competitor. Victor, you said the name of that website is virgo.com, right? Verge.
Or it could be any, wherever you decide.
But let's
Verge.
just choose that. That's easier. So can you just
Verge.
put that next to his name so he
So I can take any of the company, right? Like the Apple or the Sony, anything.
No, it has to be a competition. So you know how our page is a review vlog page. So our competition, like you're just comparing, you're analyzing basically. So it has to be a review vlog page just like ours. So the Verge, we looked at it and it's a good website to compare our thing with. Like it's a competition, so we can actually make similarities and differences. You get what I mean?
Okay.
Okay, the next part. Victor, let's go back to that document so we can see
Which
what
document?
else. This one, the week 3.
The guidelines.
Yeah. Okay, so that next one is advanced analytics.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'm gonna do Google Analytics this week.
Okay, and then monetization planning and tech milestone to list of e-commerce activities. I'll do that actually.
Okay. Well, which one? Both of them? It's just a.
But
It's just a table.
Can I see them? This is the table, and the other one is. Yeah. Both of them are tables, right?
Yeah, it's just the small tables each.
Okay, I'll do both of them.
Okay.
That's fine. It's for our website, right? For our vlog.
Yeah,
Okay. So you
but
could
you
put
can,
my name.
but you can see the exam. I think this is the example, right?
Just,
It's
you just
not
fill it out.
You have to fill it out. Yeah.
I'm not
I'll
sure
do
for
that.
Just
e-payment.
copy and paste, or it's not supposed to be copy and paste, is it?
Oh, hold on. Let me read this one.
Nabil, what's your question?
Like you have to copy and paste from this box.
No. We have
Yeah,
to.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
E-payment. I don't think maybe we could do PayPal, but most of our revenues from AdSense and affiliate.
Okay, so
Yeah, that's it.
So it's not PayPal, right, Victor?
If you have to choose one, PayPal. But
Okay. I'll choose one. I'll see which one is best and then do it. So you could put my name next to monetization planning. I'll do that.
okay.
And then social media account setup, Nabil, you're gonna do that. Is that okay?
so
So basically you have to create a is it okay if we can open a Instagram for this?
I made an email for the site.
Can you show it to us?
I was gonna update. It's knowyourtech.official@gmail.com.
Okay. But that's just one.
It's for
We have to do others. So we have to do a TikTok, we have to do Instagram. And I think are you still up for the YouTube or no?
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see, but I think let's start with Instagram and TikTok. So you just have to create, Nabil, you just have to create a TikTok page and you have to create an Instagram page of our website, Know Your Tech. You could just start off right now with the mission, and then you could just start off like create a post on Instagram with just like the post being like Know Your Tech in the center. You get what I mean?
hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, go ahead. I don't
Yeah,
know.
so you have to do basically what you have to do is open an Instagram, a new Instagram just for our website.
Account new,
No Instagram account, yeah.
so I have to create a new Instagram page basically, right?
Yeah. And then just create our put our website name on the thing, like the header, like the username.
Mhm.
And then just create like one or two posts. Like just do one or two posts. The first post could be like know your tech, and then the caption could be like, hey guy, hey everyone, we have a tech review vlog page. Like write a little bit about the mission in the caption basically of the post. You get what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so just do that and then create you have TikTok, right?
No, I don't have it.
Okay.
I don't use TikTok.
Do you want to split up the social media accounts?
Like right now? Or what are you saying?
Well, we each like maintain one or a couple.
But I'll be in charge of TikTok, that's fine.
I'll do X Twitter.
Okay. So you
YouTube.
actually can do Nabil, how about this? You
Did I
do
put
the
all the
link.
tables?
Yeah. Okay, so change it. Yeah. So I will do the monetization plan.
Oh, what social media you make? Or which one you're familiar with?
Nabil, you're familiar with Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay, Nabil is gonna be in charge of Instagram.
Which table you want to give him?
The e-commerce activities. That's fine.
And what social are you doing?
I'm gonna do TikTok. So we're just dividing the role between me and Nabil, okay? So we're both actually working on part 3 and part 4 of week 3 together. Is that okay?
Harsha? Any social media for
Can you,
both?
can you
Yep.
scroll down? Okay. Okay. So the first one is the so can you the first one is chart, right? We have to fill up the chart. The Ferdowsi will do it, right?
Yeah, this one I'm doing it.
And the second one,
The second one is also a chart. You have to do it.
this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I will do it.
So Nabil, you're in charge of this one chart over here, and you're in charge of making an Instagram like page for our website.
Okay.
It cannot be a post from your own Instagram. What I mean is, what in your Instagram account, it cannot be actually like a post that you just make. It has to be an actual page.
Yeah.
Got it.
So make a
And then-
logins page.
Yeah. What's left? Can we see the next?
That's it for now.
We're not doing a donation video launch, so that's fine. We could skip that. And that's it, right? That's the end of the document?
Yep.
Okay, that's perfect.
Just this
That's
and what needs to be done for the site.
okay. So also, guys, please work on your website, because we want to get this done. Like, I don't think it makes sense to just keep it. Like, well, we did the recording. We saw how to post the stuff for our thing. What's it called? For our products.
Yeah.
Right
So
So just do the other two, Nabil, and then Victor, Harsha, and me. We will also work on that. We'll create our post so that we have less to do, because this is basically our website. Now we have to, maybe next week when we actually when we're closer to publishing our website.
we have to I have to work on the review page too.
You only have 2 more products left. That's gonna take you how many minutes? Like 15 minutes, because you have the information already.
Wait, any ideas for the site?
But it's supposed to be maybe you
I could take over for site creation. I'm comfortable with WordPress.
I already put the information.
Where?
The documents, the Google.
Yeah, but we have to create the post, like how we did Apple iPhone 16 Pro and Samsung Galaxy. You have to create 2 more posts for the other 2. The same way we did it in the meeting.
When you make sure you log into your WordPress so the author updates. There's also
Okay.
filters by author.
Okay.
And then same thing for Harsha, Victor, and me. I'm gonna get that done because I don't want to keep it lingering.
What I'm gonna do for the site, I'm gonna earlier I messaged Professor Monica about the contact page. We need a business email to actually do this. And she gave me one, so I'm gonna update this, and we will actually get form requests to our email, to our business email.
I'm confused. What you're saying?
I'm just saying, like, we gotta have a business email.
Oh, we will have a business email?
Yeah, we have it. I haven't finished setting it up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, your Gmail, right? That's your business email?
No. There's one from the hosting provider we need. So we actually receive and send.
Monica's gonna give that to us, right?
Yeah. I'll update that later.
Okay, that's fine.
I need to update the search, make a search results page. I need to make the login sign up pages.
Why is there a login Is there like, is this
Is
gonna
it-
be like something people can log in
Yeah, you
personally?
could make comments.
Oh, okay, I see.
Here, you can actually add comments.
Oh, I see what you mean. That's the SEO part, Victor?
No, this is just like a website design, like our structure.
Got you. Do you mind, but like, can you just copy that?
Copy
This,
what?
the thing that you wrote for the notepad?
Yeah, put that in the chat.
Yeah, put
Yeah.
it in the chat.
For sending, I'm putting a deals page where our affiliate products will show up. Kinda
What's
like
this?
because each of our products can have an affiliate link. So I think like deals page will be like an inverse review page. Will display the affiliate link, then the review attached to it.
Meaning it's gonna be like a link to the actual post,
Yeah, to the product.
to the product. So each link to the product,
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now I'm thinking of adding a blog page where it show like not reviews, but like say you want to do top 10 phones of 2025. Will be stuff like there.
You want to do that, or
Yeah, I'm gonna add that page. Yeah, do it. I have a bunch of ideas. Just a couple.
what's the idea again? Can you
So
explain?
say you want to make a blog about top 10 phones of 2025.
Mm-hmm.
I'll go under the blog page, not reviews. So I had a blog.
Oh, it's gonna be like a separate blog page, right?
Yeah. Like
And what's it
like an article, not an actual review.
Oh. Okay, we could keep that towards the end. Like, let's get everything else
Yeah, I'll
done.
do that. And then I'll do the SEO.
Okay.
Clean up the homepage and add effect.
Got you. How much time is left for the recording?
6 minutes.
How much was the first one?
30 or something? Like 35?
Earlier one. 35? Okay. So how about this? Because we're still here and we already have assigned everything. Is there any questions, guys? Harsha, Nabil, do you guys have any questions about your week 3 assignment? Like what you guys have to do?
No, I got it.
What about you, Harsha?
Not.
As for VRIO, that's actually in the document, so you'd have to read and find out because we also didn't see
I'll
that.
do some research on that.
Yeah.
Anyone
So how about this?
Go ahead.
Go ahead, Victor.
If anyone has any ideas for the site or any input on the design, I could change it or add stuff.
I don't think so.
You fine with the color?
No.
The color is too dark.
Which color?
The black part in the bottom
Yeah, it's
You
a
see how-
gradient. I could change that.
is gradient. Okay. Can you scroll down? It's gradient. Can we actually make it less gradient, like more blue and less black?
Yeah, I could do that.
Do you want to do that right now, or is it gonna take a while?
No, I could do it right now.
Because I feel like I want where it says the review, where it starts the review, I want it to be blue so that we could still see that there's text. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah, here, change it right. So no black.
No, not no black. I want black, but less black. I want more of the blue. Yeah. So that we could see that there's words here. A little more. Exactly.
For this. Change the angle.
A little less.
Like that. Or you want
Let me
that
see how it looks now.
That's how it is now. So change
scroll down.
radio. It would be like a circle appearing from the middle. And linear, it's just from the bottom up.
Mm-hmm.
you just do a solid color, or even a video.
No, that's ugly. You know where's angle? No, location?
Yeah.
Can you bring it up a little bit? Little less,
Yeah.
a little less, little less, little less. Okay, perfect.
But
That looks better.
Yeah, I'll update the color of this.
Yeah,
Color.
and the dates, because the dates are gray. In fact, actually, the gray, the dates, we have to make it larger.
Yeah.
And I think the color of the text is we have to make it darker. We have to make it black because it's too much gray. It's too grayed out. Yeah, that's perfect. But yeah, definitely make the dates a little bigger. So how much time we have left?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. I'll just go ahead and share my screen. We'll do one more product. So Harsha, whatever you missed in 3 minutes, I'll show you. Also Nabil, same thing.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, so we were here. Did I delete the page or what?
I'm gonna add a doc to the drive that would have all the login information, like the email and the social media accounts, and Amazon affiliate.
Got it. So here you go to post, you go to all post, you create add a post. Okay, and then we're gonna take the third product, which is we're gonna go to Google Pixel 9 Pro. Let's copy that. That's gonna be the title. You guys can see my screen, right?
Yep.
Yes, now we can see your screen.
Okay, so do the overview. I found this part very simple and easy. So I think Harsha, you sent me a document, and did you share it with everyone else?
No, actually, I send it for checking that only. I'll share that. Don't worry.
Because
guys.
yeah, I told
Yeah.
you I think to change it to what's it called? Change it to a Google Docs so that everyone has access.
Sure.
Yeah, everyone has editor on the drive, so feel free to change anything or add stuff.
Yeah, because Word doc, I don't know how it works completely, like with the sharing.
You could just drag it in there and it'll work. And then you can also convert it while it's in there.
Oh, no. There you go.
Oh yeah, for the logo of the site, is everyone fine with that? You see on the top left, the light bulb.
Yeah, I mean the light bulb. Yeah, I think that's fine. Cause light bulb is like kind of like your brain,
And that was just.
and then your tech is basically part of that. Basically, so for every one of them, I'm a Okay, so guys, we don't have to share, we don't have to record this, because we're just I'm just finishing up with showing you guys how to create a post for your review. So this is the last thing I'm showing you guys before you guys can go ahead and have a good night. Yeah, I don't know why that went away. What is going on? Here. We're at pros.
So for the each product, we need to do this, right?
Yeah, for each product we have to do. I mean, I really liked Nabil's style of doing it, so I believe that's the best way.
Okay.
Because Nabil did like key features, then he did pros, he did cons. He basically had everything in his structure. So
That's
good job on
content.
that, Nabil. Yeah, on the content. Nabil, that was really good of you.
Thank you.
So because we want consistency in our website, for all of our reviews that we do for each product, let's keep it like this. Let's keep it the same. All right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Alright.
Just copy. And then paste. This is align text left. Align text center. Okay, so that's it for that. And then we're gonna take a picture. Google Pixel 9 Pro. Google Pixel 9 Pro. The picture, I like it like these.
Yeah.
Let me click on it. Save images. So you have to save the image, whichever one. Oh, this is really bad. The web files always get me.
You should do all files and change the extension.
Yeah, that works too. Because then it just comes like a Word document, which I don't like. Okay, this is better. So you're gonna save that and then go here, go back to the website. You guys could see my screen.
Yes.
Okay, then you click on set featured image. You go on upload file,
Files.
select file. So it's gonna be this one. Click on the image. You always have to give an description, like how Monica said. Google Pixel 9 Pro. Click on set featured image. You have to add an excerpt. So this is the review of Google Pixel 9 Pro, which includes overview, key features. Same sentence as before. Pros and cons, verdict, and reliability advice. Make sure your spellings are correct, because that's a very small thing, but it's gonna show. And then category, this is phones. So yeah, when you guys make your own, you have to make sure that you add a category. So right here, you have to give a new category. So this is in phones. And then the block, no, that's fine. Okay, and then you could just click on publish. Click on publish. Post is published. So now we go back to the page. I keep forgetting how I go back.
Just click,
Yeah, click there.
or just go on your browser and type in the website.
Knowurtech visit site. Click here and then go to visit site. See right here, it showed up Google Pixel 9 Pro. And then you click on this. This is our review for Google Pixel 9 Pro. That's it. And this is the leave a reply. That's for customers. That's not for us. Got it, guys?
Yes.
Got it.
Easy, right?
Yeah.
So Harsha, the document you sent me, just take those information and just do the same. Create a post and create posts for each 4 of your products. make sure your category is under what you are assigned for. So yours is
Yeah,
headset.
the headsets.
Yeah. So that's how you guys do the post. And I guess you guys have your assigned roles. I will update the tracker right now after this meeting ends. And
Okay.
and you guys already know what you're assigned for week 3. And just make sure that Nabil, you finish up with your last post that you have to do, the last
Okay.
the last phone, I mean. And for the rest of us, same thing. We could work on week 3. Once you're done with week 3 assignments, then you guys can start doing posting. Because I think Victor said that that's towards the end when we officially post our website. So that's fine. But try to do it so that's less work for you guys later on.
Okay.
Because we still have to make sure that this is only the website, how it looks. But remember that we have to do the phone version as well. So we have
I
to
did
change.
that.
Oh, you did that already?
Yeah.
So whatever we post right now is going to come nicely on the phone?
Yeah. Oh, can you see it there?
Actually, let me stop sharing. Can you just show us that? Just quickly, 1 second. Let me stop sharing.
Yeah. Some stuff has to be polished, but should be fine. Homepage. You see at the top the devices. Yeah. This tablet. And this needs to be fine tuned. I'll fix it. The heading's good. And it's mobile.
Victor, I could actually help you with that.
With what?
With fine tuning for the tab.
Yeah, I need to change the template. I haven't fixed it for tablet and mobile yet. The loop item.
Is it a lot of work, or we both can do it together if you want?
Wherever you want. It's not a lot of work. Just,
okay.
We need to change the columns and the
Yeah,
padding.
if you need help, you can ask for us. We'll I'm free, so anytime if you need anything.
For work on the site. I researched WordPress. I'm pretty comfortable with now. So.
Okay.
Work out anything. I'm gonna add more features this week, like I said.
Thank you so much for today's meetings, and you guys already know what you have to do.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it. Let's just make sure that before Sunday we get our stuff done, so they can also see Anonna and Anais that we did our assignments for week 3.
Yeah, for week 3 is not much work so far.
The internal scan has a lot of reading with it, so try to get a head start on it.
That's Harsha, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Harsha, I guess your part has a little bit more work, but you could take a head start on that and do it maybe tomorrow or something. You can start on that since you don't know how much work is gonna be completely.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, guys. Intro and conclusion for the internal scan too.
Okay, thank you guys.
Yep, thank you.
Good night.
Night. See you guys Monday.
Yeah, it's morning from India.
Good morning and good night, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, good morning and good night.
Bye.
Okay, good night.